The Federal Ministry of Health says it will distribute oxygen concentrators and ventilators to health institutions to provide oxygen therapy to persons presented with respiratory distress and improve chances of survival. The Minister of Health, Dr. Osage Ehanire, said this in Abuja at the 66th Joint National Briefing of the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19. The minister said Nigeria had joined the rest of the world to mark the World Patient Safety Day with the theme, Health Worker Safety, a priority for patient safety set aside to recognize and highlight the safety of patients under treatment as a global health priority. He, however, reiterated his call to members of Joint Health Sector Union to put the plight, safety and well-being of their patients into consideration and call off the ongoing strike while differences are addressed through negotiations.
To improve the chances of survival, the Federal Ministry of Health shall be distributing oxygen concentrators and ventilators to various institutions to be able to provide support to intensive care centers and also provide oxygen therapy to persons presenting with respiratory distress until they are referred to treatment centers. We are working with state government officials to sustain sample collections and response activities with emphasis on surveillance and treatment in order to drive containment. We are not doing as well as we'd like to do in the area of sample collection. We join the rest of the world today to mark the World Patient Safety Day, which was set aside in May 2019 by the World Health Assembly to recognize and highlight the safety of patients under treatment as a global health priority. The theme for this year is Health Worker Safety, a priority for patient safety, with the slogan, Safe Health Workers, Safe Patients. It is important to remind ourselves that COVID-19 is real and spreading widely in some parts of the world as we speak. It is risky to believe that it is going away, even though it looks as if the figures are reducing here. Some countries are experiencing the so-called second wave, with all the complications that go along with this easily spreading disease. And another country is in fact about to go on the second lockdown all over again because things have got very bad there. And these are all things that Nigeria must endeavor to avoid. Compliance with all the recommended measures like wearing your mask, social distancing, avoiding gatherings, etc., will go a long way to help.